In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoDS with Alibaba 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to connect your store, source winning products on Alibaba, import them into AutoDS, set smart pricing, and automate fulfillment and tracking. Start by creating your AutoDS account. Head to the AutoDS website, choose Start Free Trial or Sign Up, and register with your preferred method, email, Google, or Facebook. Once you've created the account, log into your AutoDS dashboard so you're ready to connect your store. Next, connect the selling platform where your customers will check out. In the dashboard, click Add Store and pick the platform you use, such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permissions and complete the connection. Wait for the confirmation that your store is successfully connected before moving on. If you run into issues, disable pop-up blockers and make sure you're logged in as an admin on your store. Now create your Alibaba account. Go to the Alibaba website or app, click Sign Up, and register using an email or mobile number. Complete the quick verification. It helps to keep your business details consistent since suppliers may review profiles before approving orders. It's time to find products. Use Alibaba's search to look up the item you want to dropship. Prioritize suppliers with high ratings, trade assurance, solid reviews, and fast shipping options. Open listings and compare delivery estimates and variation availability. When you found a good fit, copy the product link, head back to AutoDS to import the product. In your dashboard, click Add Products, paste the Alibaba URL, and click Import. Before saving, edit the product details. Craft a clear, keyword-rich title, rewrite the description to highlight benefits and specs, set a price that covers costs and target profit, and choose clean images that match the variations you plan to sell. With the product in AutoDS, set pricing and automation. Open the imported item, configure your profit margin, and enable automatic price and stock monitoring. These tools keep your listing accurate if supplier prices change or stock runs low. Save your settings so they apply moving forward. Publish the product to your store by selecting Publish or Push to Store. Review the live listing to confirm images, variations, pricing, and shipping details. Look correct and consistent with your brand. When a customer buys, the order appears in your AutoDS dashboard. Click Order or enable automatic ordering so AutoDS places the order with the Alibaba supplier on your behalf. The supplier then ships directly to your customer. Finally, track orders in the Orders section of AutoDS. Monitor shipping status and your store will receive tracking updates automatically, helping you keep customers informed from purchase to delivery.